Okay, now let me show you some examples of delta to Y conversion circuit. So in our this example we have to convert this Y circuit into a delta circuit. That means this Y circuit will look like this circuit if I convert this into a delta circuit. Okay, now if this is a point and this is a point, if I convert this Y into delta, I will get a resistance here. That resistance is Rp. Now if you remember the shortcut of calculating Rp or this resistance, you will see that at first if I want to convert Y to delta, at first I will multiply this 25 with this 15, 25 into 15, this 15 with this 10, 15 into 10, and this 10 with this 25, 10 plus 25, and after that I will add them up. Okay, after that I will take the resistance that is not adjacent to this Rp. Here this 25 and this 15 ohm are adjacent, and this 10 ohm is far away from this Rp. Therefore I will divide this sum with 10. So I will get equal to 775 divided by 10, which will be equal to 77.5 ohm. After that I will calculate the resistance, this resistance. Okay, so likewise before, let's say this resistance is Rq. Two adjacent resistance of it is 15 ohm and 10 ohm. At first I will multiply this 25 with this 15, this 15 with this 10, and this 10 with this 25, and add them up. See, 10 into 25, 25 into 15 plus 15 into 10 plus 10 into 25, and divide this summation with the resistance that is opposite with respect to this Rq, and that resistance is 25 ohm. So I divide this whole sum with 25, and 775 divided by 25 will be equal to 31 ohm. After that we are left with only our this resistance, and this resistance will be our R. Let's say RR. So at first I will multiply this 25 with this 15, this 15 with this 10, and this 10 with this 25. RR equal to 25 into 15 plus 15 into 10 plus 10 into 25, and divide that this sum with the resistance that is exactly opposite to this RR, and that resistance is 15 ohm, and I will get 775 divided by 15 equal to 51.67 ohm. Okay, that means if I want to calculate this resistance, at first I will multiply this resistance with this, and this with this, and this with this, and add them up. After that I will take the resistance that is not adjacent to this resistor. Here 25 and 15 is adjacent to Rp, and this 10 ohm is exactly opposite with respect to this Rp. Therefore I divide this with 10 ohm, which eventually give us 77.5 ohm. Therefore our Rq. So if I convert this Y circuit into a delta circuit, I will get a circuit whose resistances will be equal to 77.5 ohm, 31 ohm, and 51.67 ohm. This is another example. Here we are asked to convert this delta circuit into a Y circuit, this delta circuit into a Y circuit. If I convert this delta circuit into a Y circuit, if I want to, then our circuit will look like this. Let's say this is our Rp. Okay, this is our Rp. If I want to calculate Rp, at first I have to multiply its two adjacent resistor, which are 50 and 150 ohm respectively. 50 into 150, and divide this multiplication with the sum of these in 3 individual resistances. That means 50 into 150 will be divided by sum of 50 plus 100 plus 150, which will be equal to 25 ohm. After that, I will calculate the resistance of this arm. Let's say that resistance is RQ. If you look at this for the two adjacent resistor, you will see that this is 50 ohm and this is 100 ohm. So RQ will be equal to 50, this 50 into this 100, 50 into 100 divided by sum of these three resistances, which will be equal to 16.67 ohm. After that, I will calculate this resistance R. Let's say this is R. I will take two adjacent resistor 100 and 150, multiply this 100 with this 150 and divide this multiplication with the sum of 50 plus 100 and 150. So this is our RR, which will be equal to 50 ohm. Now if I convert this delta circuit into a Y circuit, our circuit will look like this, where RP will be equal to 25 ohm, RQ equal to 16.67 ohm, and RR equal to 50 ohm. Okay, that's it.